Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am? I'm in Singapore, you guys already know. And today's video I'm gonna do a shopping haul. It's a Singapore shopping haul, of course. And I'm super excited to show you what all I have bought. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk much here because I am too busy and I'm kind of found some time to shoot this video because मेरा shopping इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है. I'm already here since like it's been 4 days and I'm here and shopping ज़्यादा हो गया है और वो सब चीज़ मैं ख़त्म करना चाहती हूँ as in like boxes and shopping bags I don't want to carry to India. It's going to be too much luggage, so I'm gonna fill today whatever I have shopped. और उसके बाद अगर मैंने ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर लिया और शॉपिंग कर लिया then I'm gonna add those shopping haul also in the same video. So probably you'll see me in different location in the second part of the video. If at all I shop, I'm going to control, I swear. But if I can't control, then I'm gonna shop more and I'm gonna add those items that I bought in later part of this video, okay? So in this video, you're gonna see a lot of Charles & Keith. I've done a luxury bag also and also one more luxury brand shoes. So I'm super excited to show you that. Before I go further in this video, I just wanted to tell you, if you guys don't know, अगर आप लोग सिंगापुर आ रहे हो, if you're coming to Singapore, do not miss buying from Charles & Keith. If you love Charles & Keith like me, I mean, my first luxury shoes are from Charles & Keith. Charles & Keith is one of my favorite brand when it comes to footwear, especially footwear, bags also, but footwear because their footwear are so pretty and they are so comfortable, especially heels. Flats तो other brands में भी आपको comfortable मिल जाते हैं, but Charles & Keith is little expensive. In India it is, but it is so comfortable. But I'll tell you the secret if you don't know already. Charles & Keith is a home brand of Singapore. It's a Singaporean brand, so you get it quite cheaper in Singapore. So if you're planning to come to Singapore, do not miss buying from Charles & Keith. So मेरा intention यही था, मुझे पता था when I was doing this work trip plus leisure trip to Singapore, I knew that I have to go to all the Charles & Keith outlets, all the Charles & Keith stores and buy a lot of shoes, which I did already. I bought like 5 pair from Charles & Keith and more from other brands that I'll show you. But their collection is so good here, which you'll not find in India. And the price point is so tempting, so tempting. I thought I'll just pick up 2 or 3 pair, but and first day में एक दिन में ही एक ही store से मैंने 5 pair खरीद लिया है. So suppose you get a shoe for 10,000 rupees in India, you get it here like for 3,000, 3,500. Can you believe that? That is so tempting. So I don't want to talk much now. I just straight away dive into the video. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I must have already unboxed my luxury bag that I have shopped in this haul. Actually, I didn't want to buy a luxury bag, but I just saw that piece and I was so tempted to buy and I just bought it. I didn't think much about it, but I'm gonna control. I'm not gonna buy more luxury bags, but maybe more shoes in the later part of the video. Let's see if I've bought more. Okay, so let's get in. Okay, so I have like this 2 full bags of Charles & Keith. Super happy. Oh my god. And the pieces I have to show you. I'm gonna love it, guys. So इसमें 5 pairs हैं. मैं एक के बाद एक दिखा रही हूँ. Price मैं Singaporean dollar में बोलूँगी. आप लोग उनको उस प्राइस को into 70 rupees कर लेना, so you'll come to know how much it is. So I'm gonna show you the flats first. So this is the first flat that I bought. I wanted a flat which looks chic. I can wear it with chic and classy outfits, not just with beach wear, but it should look chic and comfortable both. And I wanted something in white. So let me show you. I'm straight away gonna show you and उसके बाद मैं इसको बॉक्स में वापस से नहीं डालूंगी. So these are the first pair. This one is in white and it looks so pretty and it's so comfortable, you guys. Look at the flats, super chic. White मेरा favorite है, you know that. It's my कमज़ोरी और my weakness. So और मैं इसको बहुत ही अच्छे से रखूँगी. I'm not gonna make them dirty. So this is in size 36 is my size. इसका price, okay, price नहीं लिखा है guys, but I have the bill and towards the end of the video or in the description I'm gonna let you know, but it was approximately 3,000. Now the second pair is also flat, but it has like a really tiny heels. So I wanted to look that, you know, well dressed and formal and like, you know, cute, but with a good footwear which looks like, you know, chic. So I wanted one black. Yeah, this is the one. और इसको मैंने एक बार पहन भी लिया है. So ये है वो heels. So this is the heel. So I wanted to look a little dressy but wanted to feel comfortable at the same time. So I didn't have a heel like that. एकदम dressy भी लगे, but at the same time comfortable भी हो और ज़्यादा heel नहीं हो. It's like it has very tiny heel. You can see it's like half an inch or something. But this is so gorgeous and it is super comfortable. ये पहन के मैंने first day, second day को full day I walked. Like I had to see the entire city and I walked and it was pretty comfortable. Yeah, towards the end of the day my feet was paining, but otherwise also अगर मैं sneaker पहन के भी पूरा दिन चलूँगी तो pain करेगा. इसका भी price almost सारे मुझे 3,500 के, that was the maximum I paid for one shoe. So it was between 3,000 to 3,500 to 3,800. So this pair is something timeless and I wanted to have one pair like that जो flat के साथ साथ बहुत ही classy, chic और dressy लगे. Okay, the next one is heels. Now on I have all of them are heels. So ये वाला heel I wanted something in silver. तो मैंने बहुत ही mindfully shop किया. ऐसा नहीं है कि mindlessly किया है. कुछ भी सस्ता मिल रहा है तो मैंने उठा लिया, ऐसा नहीं. I knew that I wanted in this color, this much of heels and one flat and one this. So I bought exactly that. अभी तक मैंने दो और लिया है दूसरे ब्रांड से. वो mindless नहीं था but I really love them. वो मैं बाद में दिखाती हूँ. But this one, oh my god, you have to see this one. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Can't tell you how gorgeous it is. Stunning. Look at the heel, you guys. It's stunning. इसमें एक stone भी है. Oh my god. Oof. These heels are super gorgeous. What do you think? I love them. How will I even keep them on ground? It's like Cinderella. So pretty. I love it. Prices मुझे नहीं पता, अभी मैं last में ही बताऊंगी आप लोगों को. Okay, the next one is this one. Let's see which one it is. Okay, I wanted one heel which is white. मुझे एकदम pure white नहीं मिला है. I'm gonna see in other stores also, other Charles and Keith store. But this is close to what I got, which is beige, and it's pretty comfortable. Okay, this is so chic. This goes with formals, with western, with party wear, everything. And I go for so many events and this looks absolutely classy, this pair. Look at them. Beautiful, isn't it? So chic and so classy. बहुत ही comfortable heel भी है. It's kind of block heel. Doesn't look bulky but also comfortable. And the quality is top notch, you guys. I mean, it's a paradise for shopaholic in Charles and Keith especially. बहुत ही सुंदर pair है, बहुत ही pretty. I'm so proud of what I've picked. I love each and every. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि क्यों खरीदा एक. ये उतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा है. सारे पेयर्स मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आ रहे हैं. And I'm gonna wear them a lot. I can see it already. And the last pair now from Charles & Keith is this one. This is quite big. Yeah. Now I told you I wanted one white, one silver, one gold. So जो मेरे पास नहीं है, so मेरे पास एक strappy gold heels था ही नहीं, you know. And like I had, which is already like spoiled and all. Now it's like I don't want to use them anymore. तो ये वाला heel जो है मैंने उठाया है, which will go with Indian Western everything. This is the heel, guys. Look how pretty it is. And it's not that ganda wala gold, it's very champagne gold. Very classy champagne gold. How pretty. Oh my god. Cute. So I got this one. Let me know which pair you love the most in this lot. Now I'm gonna show you the next brand. So next one is from Steve Madden. So I didn't want to buy anything from Steve Madden, but I went there. I was crossing. The mall was so big and I was crossing. And बाहर से मुझे बहुत ही glittery shimmery कुछ मिला. Now I'm not this glittery shimmery girl, but nowadays I go for so many events and sometimes I want to dress a little OTT, maybe with some, you know, a simple outfit, like a simple chic outfit. A statement piece of shoes looks really nice. So I love, you know, I don't like to wear everything glittery. मतलब आप एक चीज़ ग्लिटरी पहन लो तो आउटफिट शिमरी पहन लो या स्पार्कल वाला पहन लो, ब्लिंगी पहन लो, या ब्लिंग इज द वर्ड. ब्लिंगी आउटफिट पहनो तो सिंपल शूज़ पहनो, ब्लिंगी फुटवेयर पहनो तो सिंपल आउटफिट पहनो. So you don't have to wear head to toe blingy. So for that I wanted some statement shoes. So I got one from Steve Madden. Let me show you. Actually मुझे एक पसंद आया था पर मैंने दो ले लिया क्योंकि मेरे पास ब्लैक में ना एक सिंपल शूज़ भी चाहिए था. तो पहले तो मैं आपको सिंपल वाला दिखा देती हूँ जो टाइमलेस है, जो सब चीज़ में जाएगा. This is the box. Let me just show you the box also. This is the box. इनके ब्रांडिंग का पेपर भी देखो. This is the brand paper. Very cool. और this is the shoe. And the heels. How classy it is. Now इसमें ये जो details है ना, can you see the Steve Madden का, ये देखो इसका जो ये details है ना, how pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous and you can see it here as well. Yeah, it is so cool. I mean, I love this shoe as well. Okay, let me show you together. This is pretty gorgeous. I know. Absolutely love this one. I love them so much. So pretty. ये मुझे और भी सस्ते में मिल गया. I think I got it for 38 Singaporean dollar. Can you believe that? So cool. Love them. I'm so happy. And I have the last one. This is the one I wanted. I mean, similar to this, but I got it in Steve Madden and I immediately fell in love with it. इसमें दो था, एक तो full covered था पीछे से, एक पीछे से strap था. Full covered वाला मुझे uncomfortable feel होता है क्योंकि मेरे heels में I get shoe bite, so I prefer the strappy ones. So this is the, again showing you the branding box. देख के लग रहा है really मैंने ये लिया है. Let me show you. Oh my god. see it already. Oof. This is stunning, guys. Look at it. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. And the details. Yeah. This is stunning. I'm just awestruck. I didn't have like a blingy shoe. Not even one. I have one red and maroon, but not like blingy like this. और ये बहुत light है, like Charles and Keith. It's very comfortable. I saw like one silver with a bow, all blingy like this with rhinestones and all, but that was little heavy. मुझे बहुत पसंद आया, but I just thought कि वो मैं पहनूंगी नहीं, बहुत uncomfortable है. तो this is gorgeous. I mean, oh my god, so pretty. इसको मैं पहनूं कैसे? It's so pretty. I'll show you both of them. And can you believe ये भी मुझे उतने ही में पड़ा है. I think it was 40 Singaporean dollar. Now look at them together. Look at this beauty together. It is so pretty, you guys. I mean, I'm just speechless to look at these shoes, and I absolutely love them all. And Steve Madden में her shoes was like glittery, blingy, different colors like pink, green, blue. I mean, they were all beautiful. But I cannot buy all of them. I mean, एक तो over budget हो जाऊंगी, over budget भी नहीं होंगी, तो भी कैसे कैरी करूँगी इतना सारा सामान मैं, you know. I wanted to buy all of them. All of them are so pretty. But maybe next time when I come to Singapore, or maybe I still have like 6 more days here. Today is 4th. I'm going on the 10th night. So let's see. But what do you think, guys? This pair is so pretty. तो बोलना मुझे कौन सा सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you a surprise. Okay, look what I've got. मुझे बैग नहीं खरीदना था, honestly. I have so much luxury bag, and this time I didn't want to spend on luxury bag. मुझे सिर्फ शूज़ खरीदना था, बट मैंने ये इंडिया में भी देखा है, बट here when I saw it and the size I saw it, I love mini bags. लग्जरी में या तो मैं बहुत बड़ा टोट लेती हूँ, what I can wear it during my travels, और नॉर्मल साइज़ मुझे एकदम मीडियम साइज़ पसंद नहीं आता है. I have, बट मेरे बॉडी पे उतना बल्कि लगता है थोड़ा सा. I like either the big travel bags, tote bags, or I love mini bags, which is like looks like an accessory, like a jewelry, looks very chic, and it fits my body type. It when I wear it with an outfit, it looks very together. So I got this mini bag, and I saw this mini bag, immediately fell in love. Actually, we went to Coach to buy for Anuj, and he already made his choice, and we bought it. And then I saw this bag. I was like, do you have it? And she's like, yes, I have it, and we just got it today, and it's newly came and new stock and stuff. And I was like, wow, give it to me. So I got it. इसका अनबॉक्सिंग मैंने वीडियो डाल दिया है. आप लोगों ने इंस्टाग्राम में नहीं देखा है तो मुझे फॉलो करो, क्योंकि you're gonna miss all of that. You're gonna miss all the advanced content if you don't follow me on Instagram. So this is the box which I still have. Ribbon वगैरह मैंने निकाल दिया है. I'm not gonna do that again because it's gonna look very fake. So this is the bag. So they have given me a bag box. They packed it with a ribbon, and now I'm gonna show you the bag. It's a tabby. I will admit that I don't have a Coach bag. I have like LV, Gucci, Dior, Prada, Balenciaga, Valentino, all of that. But I didn't have a Coach. Michael Kors also I have. Coach is something that I didn't have, and I didn't want to buy something which looks just एक ब्रांड का नहीं है तो उसको कैसे भी खरीद लो. नॉर्मल कोई भी बैग जो वेरी कॉमन है. मुझे एक स्टेटमेंट पीस चाहिए था और मुझे ये मिल गया. हाउ प्रिटी इट इज. सो इट्स लाइक अ क्रॉस बैग and a clutch and a handbag. It comes with this also, but I'll show you. इसको मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया है, अभी मैंने अनबॉक्सिंग किया है इसको इंस्टाग्राम के लिए. And it comes with this sling which is perfect for my body, and it's a tabby. Tabby is like most बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड में रहता है tabby, and it's like a little सबसे ज़्यादा महंगा भी होता है tabby वाला जो स्टाइल है. So this is absolutely gorgeous. अभी तो मैं बाथरोब पहनी नहीं हूँ, but I'm still gonna show you how it looks on me. Oh my god, see, it looks so pretty, so chic, so gorgeous. प्राइस मैं आपको बता दूँगी. अभी मेरे पास बिल नहीं है, सारे बिल अनुज ने रखा हुआ है. You know, the mini bags are more expensive. I mean, the bigger size, the medium size and the minis, they all are same price. But this is stunning, guys. I love it so much. बहुत 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 पसंद आया मुझे. So this is the last item that I have in this shopping haul. अगर मैंने और ज़्यादा शॉपिंग नहीं किया तो करूँगी, तो इसी वीडियो में मैं डाल दूँगी. Okay guys, so that's all about today's video, today's shopping haul, Singapore shopping haul. And at the end of the video, I feel so happy because I'm so proud of all the purchases that I made. I made the right choice and I spent the right amount of money. I had a certain budget in my mind. उसी हिसाब से मैंने अभी तक तो शॉपिंग किया है, thankfully. Okay guys, this is the end part of this video. I told you that if I shop more, I'm gonna include those clips also in this video and those haul also in this video. So actually today is the last day in Singapore. Today actually we are leaving in 1 hour from the hotel and we are just going to check out. And yesterday I bought 2 more pieces. I was telling you that if I get very pretty white color shoes from Charles & Keith, I'm gonna pick that up. So I actually got some stunning pieces. It's also there in my vlog, but if you haven't seen it already, if I haven't uploaded already, you can see it here for the first time. So let's go. I'm staying at Swiss Hotel Stamford, which is just joined with Raffles City Mall. Raffles City is another absolutely luxury mall in after MBS. It is Raffles City Mall, which is joined with my hotel. So I went there to check out randomly the collection, because Charles & Keith everywhere has different collection. In Singapore all the mall has different collection. They have some common pieces, like I bought 5 pieces from IMM, which you already know, which were in discounted price. But other malls, the normal malls, luxury malls, you don't get it in discounted price, but still you get it for cheaper than India. And the collection, you don't get it in India. So I just picked it up and they're so stunning. So I'm just gonna quickly show you because I have to get ready to go to the airport now and I still have to pack a lot. This is the bag I got from Charles & Keith. Earlier you have seen the brown bag and the boxes, because that is from IMM. And it comes in this luxury boxes as well. I'm gonna just open the first box. Look at this one, the details of the box, but I cannot, you know, carry them all. Okay, here you go. The first piece is this one. This is so stunning. This is satin white. I'm just gonna show one. I'm going to show you the pair first. This is the pair. It's in size 36. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. Look at the piece. I'm going to remove this and show you. Let me just remove it, because this is to secure the bow, which is stone, which is made up of stone. And this one looks like this. How stunning is this? This is like, you know, Cinderella shoes. Absolutely stunning. So this is the one I got it, and this is a bit expensive. It's $120 here. I'm gonna show you the next one. Next one is this one. This one is again very unique piece, because I haven't seen something like this before, and I don't have something like this with me. This is from their winter collection, the holiday collection. Both of them are from holiday collection, but that is more of party and this is more of Christmas vibe. I'll show you. This is also white, my favorite color has to be. Look at the piece. It is so stunning. Look at the heel. It's looking like it's wearing a coat, but this is so stunning. Look at the texture, it's absolutely luxury. I'm just opening this and look at the quality of the shoe, absolutely stunning. So this is so gorgeous, guys, I love it. So I'm just going to show you both the pieces together. These are the piece, look at this, how stunning. So these are the two pieces that I bought. I'm just going to remove the extra papers because I'm going to pack them now. So I think I bought 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 pieces of shoes. Can you believe I don't have to shop for the entire year, at least for the footwear now. So this is all, guys, and look at the outfit that I'm wearing. Love it. So anyways, I'm gonna change and I'm gonna pack and we are gonna head for the airport now. So this completes my shopping haul from Singapore. I promise you I did not buy anything more. This is it, only the footwears and one bag. That's all I bought this time. No jewelry, nothing. So please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. I'm gonna come up with more exciting videos, and also go to my Instagram and follow me right away. I'll see you later. Bye bye.